I had invested 10 lakh rupees in Blusmart and Gensol, and this is a real story of my investment. Gensol and Blusmart crisis have been making news everywhere, and everybody is sharing their stories and everything. But this is the story of my personal investment there. So 6 months ago, I came across a really interesting opportunity of investing in Blusmart. It was a unicorn then. It was backed by Gensol, which is publicly listed, traded with a big market cap. The promised returns were 21.5%. The tenure was 2 years, and the platform with which this opportunity was Grip Invest. So everything looked great. I invested big time in it. All the repayments were on time. There was no delay even till date. But in February this year, crisis began. In March, April, it got worse. I was worried about my capital. To be honest, my expectations were that I might lose 20 to 50% of my capital. This was my realistic expectation. But then Grip Invest came to rescue, and to my surprise, they were able to get 100% of my capital out. This is a big feat because I know investors who had invested in Blusmart or Gensol directly or via other platforms, and they are still running for their repayments and their capital is still stuck. So a big credit to Grip. When the companies are doing well, all the platforms look good, but it is only during crisis and problematic situations like these when real character or real strength of a platform becomes visible. So I'm really glad that I was associated with Grip Invest, and I think that I have become their lifelong customer. At least that is what I feel right now. One more thing that I learned from this experience is that whenever I'm investing in a high risk investment, I would really prefer to go via a platform or a middleman. I would not care about the 2 or 3 extra commission that they are making, but rather the value that they are adding, because in such investments, it is important to save the principal first and then care about the 18, 20, 25% returns that you are getting.